Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to fix icon not showing in a taskbar in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple video. If your entire taskbar is not showing, or your start button is not showing, icons are not showing, search bar is not showing, then I give the simple solution. Some solution is just go to your keyboard and just press Ctrl Alt Delete key. Just press Ctrl Alt Delete key. Now here we find at this point task manager. Just click on the task manager. Okay, in task manager we just go to the file and just click on the run new task. Okay, here just type reg edit. Just type reg edit. Just type this and just click on the OK. Now just click on the yes. Okay, now we are at this point. Okay, now just change it. This is like this computer. Now I just give the one link in the description, YouTube description. Just copy this link. Okay, entire link from computer to packages. Okay, copy this and just go to here and paste it at this computer. Okay, just paste it at here and hit enter key on your keyboard. Okay, now we just go directly to the packages. Okay, in packages, right click on it, just go to the new, just right click on the blank space, just go to the new, and here we find DWORD 32-bit value. Just click at here. Okay, now just go to your description once again. I just give this name, just copy this, unblocking disabled. Just type unblocking disabled and just go to here, rename it, right click on it and rename it and just paste the our name. Okay, unblocking disabled. Okay, now just click on the blank space once again. Now just go to the right click on this. Okay, and just go to the modified, just go to the modify, and this time just go with the decimal. Just go to the base to the decimal and in value data just type 1 and just click on OK. Now just close it. Now just close it. Now just close it and once again just type on your keyboard Ctrl Alt Delete key. Just press the Ctrl Alt Delete key and this time just go to this bottom and here we find power button. Just go to the power button and just restart your machine. Now our machine is start and 110% your taskbar is showing on your screen. Okay, if any Windows is available, Windows update is available, then just go to start and just type Windows update. Just type Windows update and check for update. Just click on the check for updates, and if any update is available at here, just click on the check for updates, and if any update is available, then just go to the update and your entire problem is solved. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.